Good morning, sir.
Very good morning, all of you. Today we will discuss most important chapter in Linux operating system, and it is very useful to access the file and directory related concepts. Our today's chapter name is permission. We will discuss about theoretical part, and later on we'll discuss about how we'll implement the permission. Okay. Implement the permission. We have two options by using character, and second one by using numeric. We have two options to implement the permissions. So we can use the permission by using characters. So for example, I want to set the permission by using alphabets, then I can able to set. For example, I want to set the permission using numeric like 1, 2, 3, like that stuff. So we can also able to do that by using these two options. So before that, while using the permission, what are the ways are available? We already discussed. Now we'll discuss what is the permission. Okay. So for someone who wants to read, write, and execute, someone wants to perform read, write, and execute operation. Someone wants to read, write, execute the operation called as a permission. So we have three options. So we can either perform read operation, we can either perform write operation, or we can either perform execute operation. So we have to perform these three operations. So called as a permission related task. Okay. So in that section, we can apply the permission on two things. Okay. First will be file. We can able to apply the permission on file, and second one is directory. Second one is a directory. So that means if you want to apply the permissions, then we can able to apply on file and we can able to apply on the directory. Okay. So if you want to check the permission related details, then we will use a long list. Okay, we'll discuss about that. First of all, we'll discuss one by one. Okay, and after that, we'll discuss briefly. So first, we will discuss about the file related thing. How we will manage the permission in a file. How we will manage permissions so to perform that operation we have three things to do that. So first one is a read, second one is a write, third one is a execute. So in that case we can able to perform read operation on file. Okay, we can able to perform write operation on file, but execute application or execute task which is not applicable in file system. Okay, so first of all we'll discuss how it will work. Okay, read means what? For example, assume that you have one file abcd and that file have a content, hi, I am from abcd. Okay. So assume that you have a file having name abcd and that file contains some text called as hello, I am from abcd. So in that case, can I able to read the file? The answer is yes. Can I able to write the file? The answer is yes. But can I able to execute the file? The answer is no. But execute permission will be useful in some cases like script. Like in script we can able to perform execute, but none other than script we cannot able to execute command in file section. Make a note of that. If you want to use the file, then we can able to perform only read and write operation. We cannot able to perform execute. Okay, so in some cases, for example, if you want to run a script related task, okay, we'll discuss later on. We have two types of script. User acceptable script is there, and interactive script and non-interactive script we will discuss about later. But in that case only we can able to execute permission on file. Okay, but rest of thing we cannot able to execute the permissions. Okay, so in the numeric format, if you want to read the file, then we have option of called as a 4 numeric option. So in numeric format, read will be considered as 4, write will be considered as 2, and execute will be considered as 1. Okay, we already discussed about that. In normal file format system, we cannot able to use execute on file. Okay, but if you want to use script related tasks, script related operations, then and then we can able to use this thing. Okay, so that means we will calculate if you want to perform any operation on file. Okay, if you want to perform any operation on file, then we can able to perform read plus write. Perform read plus write. That means we can able to perform 4 as a read operation plus write as a 2 operation. That means the maximum permission of file is 6. Maximum permission of file is 6. Make a note of that. But if it is a script, okay, here I will write for normal file. For normal file. Okay. So again I will do that. File equals to read plus write plus execute. So this will happen with only script related tasks. Okay, if you want to perform script related tasks, then we can do that. Okay. So similarly, we'll calculate the things. Read for 4, write for 2, and execute for 1. That means we have maximum 7 permission for script. Make a note of that. Okay, so why we calculate this read? See, we in above section we already discussed we can do the permission, we can set the permission by using characters, and we can set the by using numeric. So for that reason we need to calculate what will be the maximum value for permissions in the numeric file format. So the maximum per file permission for the numeric format is 6. Make a note of that. So max file size, max file file permission, or we can say that numeric permission is 6. Make a note of that. Okay. Okay, but this permission will be set in 3 different formats. Okay, so we have 3 different formats. We'll discuss about that, or we can say that 3 different sections. Okay, the first section is owner. You can set the permission to the owner. Second one is a group owner. We already discussed in the ownership chapter. Third, we will set on others. That means if you want to set the permission, we have these 3 options: owner, group owner, and other. Okay. For example, if someone wants to create one file, at that case, that file contains owner and group owner. Okay. How they will access? See, make a note of that. Why we use permission? Permission is used to restrict the user. Okay. To perform the authentication. For example, if other person wants to access your file and that file does not have permission to read, write, and execute, in that case that person is not able to access your file. Okay, so for example, user ने अगर file create किया है, then and then that particular user and group owner users will be access that particular file. No other user will able to access that particular file. Okay, so now in that section, owner will perform read plus write. Owner can be able to perform read plus write. Okay, so execute हम perform नहीं करेंगे. It will perform only script related. Okay, so again group owner will able to perform read and write. We'll discuss about the max permissions. Okay, and for after that we'll discuss about the min permissions. So in that case, owner can perform read write, group owner can perform read write, and other person also they can perform read write. That means here we'll use 4 plus 2. Here also use 4 plus 2. Here also we use 4 plus 2. Means 6. Here also 6. Here also 6. That means max permission file is 666. Okay, so the first permission is for owner, second permission for the group owner, and third one is for others. Okay, so let's do the example. ये understand करने के लिए एक example देखते हैं. Assume that I have created one file having name abcd.txt. Okay, abcd.txt. In that case, this file is created by Swapnil. In that case, that file is created by Swapnil. So that means the owner of that file is Swapnil. And assume that the group owner is a market. And the rest of all users are others. Rest of all users are other. For example, we have ESY CSC. Okay. So here I will do example SY CSC and ETC. Okay, other users. Maybe PQR, XYZ, whatever it may be. Okay. So we have created the file called as abcd.txt, and that file is created by the Swapnil. Okay, that means Swapnil is the owner of that file. Okay, so Swapnil has 6 permission. Okay, we can modify that permission, no issue. Second one is the market. The market is the group. Okay, so some other users are using this group. That means that user also able to access the abcd.txt. And when we talk about the owner and group owner, rest of all member will be considered as other. Okay, so for in our case, SYCSC is the other user. That user will be accessible your file. Okay, so now we need to set that permission. So we can set by using characters, and we can set by using the by using numericals. So now, for example, I want to set the permission. So what should I do? So here I will do the example on ABCD. Example. chmod. Okay. So make a note of that. There are two different commands, user mod and chmod. User mod command is used to change the user related permissions. Okay, and chmod user related things, user related tasks. If you want to change the user ID, group ID, command name, display name, and shell, then we will use user mod. मैंने ये क्यों बताया? Because most of student क्या होते हैं कि user mod और ch mod में confuse हो जाते हैं. So that's why here I given the example. User mod is command which is used to perform user related tasks, and ch mod is command to use to perform permission related tasks. So here I will remove the user mod. So sudo ch mod. After that we have three options: owner, group owner, and others. So in that case, the owner will be treated as user, and short form is U. Owner is called as short form as a G, and other persons will use short form as O. क्यों बता रहा हूँ? Because we need to set the permission by using alphabets, characters. So we require the short forms. U stands for user, G stands for group, and O stands for other. Okay. So now in above file, okay. So here I will provide U, G, O. That file. This is the way by using that we can set the permissions. Okay, so let's take one example. Now set permission, set all permissions for user only. User only. What does it mean? The first question is now set all permission for the user only. Here I'm using a word called as a all. So all permission means we can able to perform read and write only. Read and write. So now we need to set the permissions. This one is our question. Now let's do that. Solution sudo chmod. Okay. We need to set all permission for the user. Make a note of that. We need to set all permission for the user only. So who is the user? So we need to set the permission for the Swapnil only, and rest of all permission will be removed for market and other person also. Okay. So यहाँ only क्या क्या कहा है कि user के लिए set करो, other के लिए नहीं. So sudo chmod, here I will use u plus. Again I want to perform read and write. Okay, so if it is a script, then we can also perform execute also. Okay, if it is a permission to set the execute, then we can also able to put a script, then we can able to also set the permission. But right now we don't want to set the execute permission. U plus X. Now we need to provide the directory. Now we need to provide the path of directory. So your file name is abcd.txt. Where is that? Slash home slash name of the user. After that, the file will be, if it is present in the desktop, then the name of the folder. That's it. Slash abcd.txt. Like that, we can set the permission. Okay, for user only. Now we can also set that other things. Let's take another example. Another question is set all permission for group only. Okay, here we need to set the permission for user, इसलिए u लिखा है. Now let's do one more time. Sudo chmod. Group के लिए g होता है, g plus read and write dash text of that abcd.txt. Like that, we can set the permission for group. And let's do the third operation. Set all permission for other user. अदर में कौन कंसिडर किया जाता है कि ओनर को छोड़ के, ओनर एंड ग्रुप ओनर को छोड़ के जो भी परमिशंस है, that will be treated as a other. Let's do that. Sudo chmod other को वो रहता है plus read write and after that slash desktop the path of file. Now example में हमने discuss किया है कि how will set the permission for the user, how will set the permission for the group, how will set the permission for the other also. So now let's do one more example so you'll get the brief idea. Set all permission for user slash group ऑल के लिए आपको क्या करना है, परमिशन सेट करनी है. किसके लिए? यूजर के लिए भी करना है, ग्रुप के लिए भी करना है, ऑर्डर करने के लिए ऑर्डर भी करना है. तो यहाँ लिखा है सेट ऑल. ऑल मतलब सभी के सभी परमिशंस यूज करना है. So let's do that. Sudo chmod u for user, g for group, o for other plus read write and after that the path slash arvin slash desktop dot abcd dot txt. By using that we can able to set the permissions. Okay, so now if you want to check the permission, then we can use long list. Okay, so long list, either I can use ll or either I can use ls-l. So among that we can able to use any. So now हमने तो सेट कर दिया, हमने सेट कर दिए परमिशंस पूरे. Now remove instead of that set all permission for user. Okay, यूजर को रिमूव करने के लिए आपको क्या करना है, लेट्स चेक आउट. रिमूव sudo chmod u minus, instead of plus we will use u minus, read write, फिर पाथ देना है. सो अगर permission add करना है then we will use plus symbol. If you want to remove the permission then we will use minus symbol. Okay, so similarly यही same operation हम एक बार फिर से परफॉर्म करते हैं. All permission for the user and other things. So here we use just minus symbol. Okay, so remove all permission for the user, group and other. So user, group, other minus read write or a particular file. So this is the overall about the permissions. Okay, permissions in by using alphabets. Okay, so now let's take one more example for numeric and after that we'll do the practical. Set mission or user using numeric. Numeric. Okay, so we know all know that numeric में भी read होता है, उसे हम 4 कहते हैं, and write होता है, उसे हम कहते हैं 2. पर्टिकुलर यूजर को सेट करना है. Okay, here I will use sudo chmod. We do not want to use these alphabets UG or these shortcuts. Instead of that, we directly use 600. Okay, and after that path. In that case, first part is the owner, second part is the group owner, and third part is the other. Okay, we can use both way. We can use alphabet way also, we can use numeric way also. So in that case, we set a read permission plus 4 and write permission plus 2. To 4 plus 2, 6. So here we are setting the value 6 to the user. Okay, the rest of group owner will set the 0 and other user will be set the 0. Okay, similarly, if you want to perform permission for the group, so set the permission for the group. So here what should I do? Here I will use 0. We can also set the permission for the all users by using numeric. Let's do that. Permission for the user group. Here I will use just 666. First for the user, second for the group owner, and third for the other user. So by using numeric also we can do that. Okay. This is the overall about the file sections. Okay, similarly we can do for directory also. Okay, I will share this document so we'll get the idea regarding how we'll execute the program. So let's do the practical. First of all, we'll check for the file cd test that we'll discuss. Now we have this bunch of files, new file ps2. These are the directory ps1, ps2 and sycsc, and rest of all are the files. Okay, so I will remove everything. All know that if you want to remove the empty directory, then we need to use rmdir. Want to remove the nested directory, then we need to use rm hyphen rvf and the name of directory. Now done, we don't have any file. So here I will create one file by using touch command, touch abcd. Yes, now we have a file. Okay, we check that file. Now, first thing, if you want check if you want to check permissions, then we will use -l or both. If you want to check the permissions, then we will use ls-. So here I will use ls-l. So let's check out. We have one file having the name abcd and particular time the file will be created. This one is a date, this one is a month. Okay, this one is a owner, this one is a group owner, and these are the permissions. See, first section. Okay, so the first section is this one, read, write and execute के लिए dash जगह है. We already discussed execute permission is not applicable for file. But if you want to create a script, in that case, the execute permission will be available. So this permission is for owner. Second permission is for the group owner, and third permission is for the we can say that other person. Okay, whenever by default file is created, the owner has permission of read and write. That means max permission for the owner is 6. So I'm discussing when the by default file will be created. So group के लिए क्या होता है? Same thing, read, write. That means maximum permission is 6. Other के लिए क्या होता है? Just only for read when particular file is created. Okay, so that means maximum permission कितना होता है? 4. So that means in the numeric format, the max permission when the file is created is 664. Okay. Now we need to change the permission according to the rule. Okay, so ये जो task है ये स्वयं हम perform करके देखेंगे. So theoretical plus होता है. Now set all permission for the user only. User only लिखा है, that means we need to set the permission for the user only. So we already set that permission, already set permission है, but other को भी permission है read and group owner को भी permission. So we need to remove that. Okay, so here we'll set the permission sudo chmod q plus read write and the path of that file. Okay, so directly we can give the abcd name or whether that file name is abcd.txt. Let's check out only abcd. Sudo chmod plus read write and the name of file is abcd. Let's check out. Set the path for that one time. Now s and ls-l. See, earlier the permission for the owner is read write execute, group owner is a read write execute, and other is a read write. Okay, the other is a read only. Okay, so now check out. One minute. Yeah, just 1 second. So already we given the permission sudo user read write. but the user has already read write permission, so it did not affect on the file. So for that purpose, just I will remove that permission earlier. chmod minus, okay, so ugo minus, first of all we will remove that all permission, read write for abc, plus hyphen l. See, we don't have any permission, we get only dash 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 dash. Okay, so now we can set the permissions. अब हम परमिशन सेट कर सकते हैं, मतलब प्रैक्टिकल परफॉर्म कर सकते हैं. नाउ सेट ऑल परमिशन फॉर द यूजर ओनली, यूजर के लिए ही परमिशन सेट्स करनी है. सो लेट्स डू दैट. sudo chmod u plus read write, u plus read write, okay, and the name of file is abc. Check out ls-l, s-l. Now we get the permission for the user only. We get the permission for the user only. यहाँ हम permissions मिल गई है user के लिए. So how will set that permission? See, sudo chmod u plus read write. Okay, now again we need to set the permission for the second option था हमारे पास. We need to set the permissions for group only. अब group के लिए करना है मतलब user का permission first remove करना पड़ेगा. So let's do that. sudo chmod u minus read write and other plus read write. Name of the file is abc. Let's do that. First of all, we need to remove that. Now other plus read write, ls-l. Out. First part, we set the permission for the others. We need to set the permission for the groups. गलती से यहाँ other हो गया है. plus group plus read write. Now check out ls-l. See, first three for the owner, next three for the group owner, and next three for the other. So let's check out. We successfully set the permission for the group owner. Okay, group owner के लिए हमने successful permission set कर दिए. So let's remove that permissions. Let's make a note of that. Minus symbol is used to remove the permission, plus symbol is used to add the permission. Okay, now the next question is set all permission for the other user only. Okay, so rest of all user must be empty. Let's do that. ls-l chmod other plus read write, and the name of file is abc. Spell mistake sudo का. ls-l. Let's check out. See, first three part for the first three, this part for the owner, next three for the group owner, and next three for the other user. So let's remove that permission. Check out ls-l. Now, so we did that operation, fifth number operation. Remove all permission for user only. Okay, remove permission करना है user के, तो u minus करना है. So we did 6 number operation. Remove all permission for the user group other. So chmod ugo minus minus. So first of all, we'll set that permission, set all permission for the user, and after that we will perform 6 number operation. Remove भी करके देखेंगे. So sudo chmod. Okay. So ugo plus read write and the file name is abcd. Check for that. See, we get all the permissions for owner read write, group owner read write, and other persons read write execute. Now we need to remove that. Sudo chmod ugo, just we need to use minus symbol, that's it. right? Just write operation perform karo. Just I want to remove only write. So can I able to do that? Yes, you can able to do that. So the name of option is ABCD. Let's just check out. So earlier आपके पास read write operations थे. Now check out only read write operations we have. So similarly, if you want to remove write also, so just use R. Now check out all permissions gone. पूरे के पूरे permissions remove हो चुके हैं. Okay. So if you have a query, let me know that. Does anyone have query? Shall we perform one more time? It's quite easy. You need to perform operations, so you will get the idea. Yes, does anyone have query? Swapnil, did you get that?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. So now we'll discuss about the file. Just give me 1 minute. See, I will show you one more time. You one more time. Else I will remove that file. Here I will create one file. Touch. The name of file is PSCV. Ls. Now check by default permission. Yes. Okay. First of all, if you want to remove only read permissions, okay, read write permission, remove. Then we use sudo chmod user के लिए करना है u minus, right, and the name of file is psv. Just 1 minute. Done. ls-l. So earlier when we check, user has a read write permission. Okay, so now check out user don't have read write permission. That means the owner of file cannot able to write and read operation, cannot able to perform read and write, cannot able to perform read and write operation. Okay, so who is the owner of that file? This user Arvind is the owner of that file. Okay, so let's do that another way. So if you want to remove the permission of owner also, okay, just remove sudo chmod g minus right, and the name of file is psv, and the last one is other. Check out, does we have any permission? No, we don't have a don't have any permission. So that means, can I able to do that file? Can I able to read that file? The answer is no. Just check out cat PESUE. See, we get the options permission denied. Why we get that permission? I'm trying to read that file, but I don't have any permission to read that file. Okay, so just 1 minute. We'll perform one more operation. Sudo chmod. Provide the permission by using numeric chmod 666 to the name of file PESUE. Okay, what does it mean? I'm providing the permission with the help of numeric file format. Okay, so first six for the owner, second six for the group owner, and third one is for the other. Okay, let's check out ls-l. Can I able to set? Yes, you can able to set the permission by using numeric also.
1 मिनिट में 5 मिनिटात आता ये डोळा लागलो.
Namrata, mute your mic.
हो तुम्ही ठेवून कर.
So, like same that. So now, just edit that file. Cat PSUE. That means we have file cat PSUE. See, we have a text. Okay. Now let's do that. Let's check out who is the owner of that file. So the owner is Arvind. Okay, make a note of that. Owner is Arvind. Now I want to remove the permission for the owner. Sudo by using numeric sudo chmod. Here I want to provide 0 for owner and 66 for other. Okay, and the name of file is PSUE. Now let's check out. Does we have any permission? See, we don't have any permission for the owner. Now I am the owner of that particular file. Now I'm trying to read that file. See, cat, the name of file is PSU. So we get the error, permission denied. Okay, you don't have permission to read that file, even you are the owner of that file. What is the reason behind that? Because owner does not have any permission. So that owner cannot able to read and write operations. Okay, so here I will provide, see, I will provide the read permission for the user. Sudo chmod in the form of numeric. Also we can do by using by using the alphabets also, but here I will provide by using numeric. So I want to provide a 4 permission for the owner and 66 for the other. Okay, and the name of file is PEC. Now check out ls-l. Earlier we don't have permission, but right now owner can read the file. Now owner can read the file. Let's check out whether the owner have permission to read the file. Cat abcd cat psub. See, we get that information. We can able to read that file. But can I able to write that file? Does owner have write permission? No, owner does not have write permission. Let's do that. Cat greater than symbols and the name of file is PSUE. See, when I trying to write the file, we get the error permission denied. What is the reason behind that? Because we don't have permission of write here. Let's we add the one permission, write key permission add karte hain. So instead of that 4, here we will pass the 6 for the owner, and now we can able to perform that operation. Okay, done. That file. See, at the end we get the OK done. Okay. So make a note of that. When we perform any operation, it will check the permission. If we have permission, then we can access or we can perform read and write. If you don't have a permission, we cannot able to do that. So let's do that. Here I will perform 4 and 0. Okay, what does it mean? Owner have read write permission, group owner have 4 permission, and other permissions are 0. So let's do that. Let's log in with other user and trying to access that file. Sudo other user is we have sycsc, and now we all know that other permission does not have permission to access the file. See, other person cannot able to access your file. Let's try that. Let's try sudo SU hyphen SYCAC. We have other user failed to execute the file directory. Sudo SU hyphen SYCAC. That means we don't have a user. So let's quickly add that user. Sudo user demo. That login by using that demo. See, right now I log into the system. Let's check out who am I demo. So now trying to access that file guy cd slash home, name of directory is Armin, and I think test was there. Okay, now check out, we have file ls. Now I'm trying to read that file cat psue. We don't have permission. Test is the other user, and other user don't have permission to read that file. We get the error, permission denied. Okay, so let's set that permission. एक बार परमिशन सेट करते हैं. Provide the 4 permission, read permission for the other. So now other user have 4 permission. 4 मतलब क्या है? Read. 2 मतलब क्या होता है? Write. And 6 मतलब read plus write. Okay. So now login into the system. Demo. cd slash home slash arvin slash test. ls check out. ls permission psu is. Now try to read that file. See, we can able to read that. Earlier we got the permission of permission denied, and now we have permission to read that file. So like that stuff we can able to perform the operation. So this is the overall about the file system. Now similarly we'll do for directory. Yes.
Sir, can we make it executable file?
Yes, we can able to make executable file, but right now we did not discuss about that. So whenever we learn about the scripting chapter, at that time I will provide the way how will provide the execute permission.
Okay, sir.
Right now we can able to perform only read and write operation. So I can say that if you want to perform write operation right now, then yes, we can able to perform write operation. Sorry, execute operation, but we will discuss in later on. Okay. Just now we'll discuss about the read and write. I will share this document with you so you can read that document carefully. Now for directory, now it is quite easy for directory once we did the practical. For directory we have 3 options. See, operation we can able to perform, write operation we can able to perform, and execute operation we can able to perform. Okay, so read मतलब 4 होता है, write मतलब 2 होता है, and the meaning of execute is 1. Okay, that means we have max permission as 7. Max permission as 7. Earlier for file it was 6. Okay, अब execute का task कैसे होता है? For example, if you have a directory or if you have a folder, उस folder में जाने की permission है क्या नहीं? That term called as a execute. That term called as a execute. For example, I have a folder called as a psue. उस फोल्डर के अंदर जाने की परमिशन कौन सेट करता है? एग्जीक्यूट. उस फोल्डर के अंदर जाके डायरेक्टरी क्रिएट करना मतलब राइट, और डायरेक्टरी को लिस्ट आउट करना मतलब रीड होता है. ये ऑपरेशंस होते हैं. इसमें भी 3 टाइप्स होते हैं. फर्स्ट वन इज ओनर, सेकेंड वन इज अ ग्रुप ओनर, नितीन एक 9 वाजेपर्यंत येतो. Second one is the owner. First one is group owner. Second one is a group owner, and third one is other. Owner can perform read execute. Group owner can perform read execute. Others can also perform read, write, execute. So in the numeric format, 7. This one is a 7, and this one is a 7. That means 3 times 7, 7, 7. So if we get the 7, that means the owner can read, write, execute. Second part 7, that means the group owner can perform read, write, execute. And last 7 means other user can perform read, write, execute. No issue. Okay. So let's sample. Set all permission for user other. 4, 2, 1 is equals to 7. Okay, that means read, write or execute. All permissions set करनी है. So here I will use sudo chmod ugo user group other plus read, write, execute. Okay, so earlier हमने execute नहीं use किया था. Execute के लिए x use किया जाता है. Make a note of that. In alphabet, x is used for execute. Okay, after that we need to provide the path. Home slash a. Instead of that, the name of directory is, assume that test. So that demo. In this way, we can set all permission for the alphabet. And for numeric, just we need to use sudo chmod. Instead of that usuo, directly we write 770 dash home slash demo. इस पे से पता चलना चाहिए मुझे कि मैंने परमिशन कौन सा सेट किया है. सी ओनर के लिए 7 है, दैट मींस ओनर कैन रीड, राइट, एग्जीक्यूट. 7 फॉर ग्रुप ओनर, दैट मींस ग्रुप ओनर कैन रीड, राइट, एग्जीक्यूट. बट अदर के लिए 0 दिया है, दैट मींस व्हाट, अदर पर्सन कैन नॉट एबल टू एग्जीक्यूट, रीड और राइट. अगर इंस्टेड ऑफ दैट यहाँ मैं ऐसे लिखता हूँ 4774, दैट मींस अदर के लिए रीड परमिशन ओनली है. अगर मैं यहाँ 1 लिखता हूँ, दैट मींस अदर को एग्जीक्यूट परमिशन है. यहाँ मैं 7 लिखता हूँ, दैट मींस ऑर्डर को लिए ऑल परमिशन है. यहाँ मैं 711 लिखता हूँ, दैट मींस ओनर हैव परमिशन टू रीड, राइट, एग्जीक्यूट, ग्रुप ओनर execute only and other execute only. So like that stuff. Okay, so let's do the practical. ls I will create a directory mkdir demo ls-l. So first of all I will remove that psua, so we have only one file. So now we have demo file and the owner is Arvind and the group owner is Arvind. So see the permissions. So first D is indicates it is directory. First D indicates it is a directory. The next part is the owner. Owner have permission to read, write, execute. Others group owner have permission to read, write, execute. See, and other have only read, write, execute. That means by default permission is 775. By default, whenever we create the folder, by default this is the permission. So if you want to remove all the permissions, so sudo chmod 000 0 for owner, 0 for group owner, and 0 for other, and the name of file is demo. Check out ls-l. See, we don't have any permission, single permission bhi nahi hai hamare paas. Okay, now we need to set the permission for the owner only. Sudo chmod 700. Okay, after that the name of file. So यहाँ मैंने क्या किया, ओनर के लिए रीड, राइट, एग्जीक्यूट दिया है, बाकी ऑल मेंबर्स 00. Check out ls-l. See, owner have only one permission, read, write, execute. Rest of all does not have any permission, so it empty. That means other user and group users cannot able to access your directory, cannot able to create your directory like that. कुछ भी नहीं create कर सकते इसके अंदर. Okay. I will set the permission for the group owner. So instead of that 0, and here I will set for the group owner only. Let's check out ls-l. See, 0 for the owner, 7 for the group owner, and 0 for the other. So आपको दिखाई देगा owner के लिए 0 है, other के लिए 0 है, only group owner के लिए read, write, execute है. set for the other. Now check out, other user can read, write, execute, but owner and group owner does not have any permissions. Okay, so just remove all the permissions. ls -l. So by default permission जो होते हैं वो सेट करने के लिए आपको पता है क्या यूज करना पड़ता है, 775 by default permission ऐसी होती है. So we set the by default permission sudo chmod 775 for the directory demo. Check out, by default permission will be set. So this is the overall about the files and directory permission. So today you can perform operations. आप perform करो. अगर problem आता है तो tomorrow also we will revise this session. So if you have any query, let me know. So we'll take the attendance and we'll close the session. Share the document with you. So does anyone have query? So let's.
सर डिरेक्टरीला रीड करायचं म्हणजे ते आपण ls कमांड वापरायची का रीड करायसाठी?
कशासाठी?
डिरेक्टरीला रीड करायचं असं ना आपल्याला डिरेक्टरीला.
Yes, ls command required.
आणि एक्झिक्यूट कसं करायचं?
फोल्डर मध्ये जाण्यासाठी.
आपल्याला डिरेक्टरीला एक्झिक्यूट करायचं असेल तर म्हणजे काय करायचं?
Just 1 minute. See, ls -l. So owner have read, write, execute permission. First of all, I will remove all the permissions. So 0 0 0 0 0. ls -l. We don't have any permission of demo. Okay, now we're trying to enter into the demo. So owner does not have any permission. Okay, owner के लिए permission है क्या? नहीं. Let's check out. See, permission denied because owner does not have permission. अब थोड़ा सा हम क्या करेंगे, instead of that here we'll provide one permission. Well, one means what? Execute permission. See, अब क्या करेंगे, just cd demo के अंदर जाएंगे. Yes, demo के अंदर गया हूं मैं. That means execute permission successfully works. अंदर गया हूं, list out कर रहा हूं. अब इसे ls करता हूं. See, ls means permission denied. Okay, अंदर तो गया हूं बट परमिशन है कि मेरे पास नहीं. So now here we add 4. Okay, 4 is मतलब read होता है. So बाहर आना पड़ेगा, अब परफॉर्म कर सकते हैं. ये 4+1 करेंगे यहाँ, मतलब अंदर जाने के लिए एग्जीक्यूट और उसके अंदर जाके लिस्ट आउट करने के लिए हम रीड करते हैं. लिस्ट आउट मतलब रीड होता है एंड एग्जीक्यूट मतलब फोल्डर के अंदर जाना है. सो लेट्स cd demo ls करेंगे. अर्लियर वी गॉट द एरर परमिशन डिनाइड, नाउ वी डिड नॉट गेट एनी एरर. सी, हमारे पास एरर नहीं है. अब आई एम ट्राइंग टू क्रिएट वन फाइल. हियर आई एम ट्राइंग टू क्रिएट द फाइल. We get error, touch abc, get error. Which error? Permission denied. See, permission denied. बाहर आके cd डॉट डॉट करके एक बार बाहर आओ और फिर से उसे एक परमिशन सेट करो. Here I will provide 7. That means person अंदर भी जा सकता है. That means execute operation. ls कर सकता है मतलब रीड करना. ls is nothing but read. That means read operation. और अभी यहाँ मैं एक फाइल क्रिएट करता हूँ, touch abcd. That means we get the permission to write. Did we get any error? No, we did not get any error. So याद रखना है, फोल्डर को एक्सेस करना है, दैट मीन्स एग्जीक्यूट। अगर फोल्डर को एलएस करना है, लिस्ट करना है, अगर फोल्डर एंड मतलब फाइल क्रिएट करना है, क्रिएट फोल्डर और फाइल, दैट मीन्स राइट। ओके, क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
Watch this video repeatedly so you will get the brief idea regarding that. Okay. So let's do the attendance fast, quickly. Vaishnav is there?
Sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Bhagyashree? Bhagyashree Gaikwad?
Present, sir.
Namrata?
Yes, sir.
Apeksha? Yeah.
Present, sir.
Vani?
Yes, sir.
Zoya? Are you there? Swapnil?
Present, sir.
Ilish?
Present.
Ajwal?
Present, sir.
Vedant?
Present, sir.
Prasad?
Present, sir.
Aniket?
Present, sir.
Param?
Present, sir.
Siddhant? Shivani?
Present, sir.
Sir, Siddharth
Ashwardhan?
present, sir.
Okay, absent students only Zoya and Apeksha. Okay. So recording stop.